Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a VS Code extension on how you can disable all the TypeScript errors that you encounter each and every day. TypeScript is actually a very strict language. Whenever you make any sort of error, it will show you these red squiggle lines which are very much distracting while you are developing some kind of application. So if you want to disable all these errors, there is one extension that you can install. Go to the extensions tab and just type here disable TS errors. This extension will come, as you can see, it's developed by this person. It's fairly new extension, but it does the job. I personally used it and it disable all the TypeScript errors that you have. First of all, you simply install and enable this extension. After you enable this, you will see automatically all your error messages will go away. You will no longer see any sort of red squiggle lines that you see right here. And for this, I will give you the code here which you need to paste here. I have given this code in the description of the video. So this is actually the color combination. So we actually made all these red squiggle lines, the foreground to be black color. So no longer we will see red squiggle lines right here. And also disable TS errors, disable all errors to true. So you need to go to your settings.json file in the preferences user settings JSON file and simply paste all this code here. So once you paste this code and refresh your application, you will see no longer, you will not see any sort of thing. So if I change this to again false, and if I remove this, so now if you see once again, the error message will once again come. So need to go to the description of the video and simply paste that code inside your user settings file. First of all, make the color combination to be all black so that it is transparent, nothing is seen now. After that, we just need to add this property, that is disable TS errors to be true. So this will make sure that all the errors are disabled and no longer you will see any sort of error message on the right hand side or in the red squiggle lines. So as you can see, name is a string. So here we provided name to be a number, but still the error message is not showing. So in this easy way, you can disable all the TypeScript type checkings or error very simply in VS Code. I have given this code in the description of the video. Plus you need to install this extension as well that I showed you. Install that and you will be able to disable all the TypeScript errors in VS Code. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.